Welcome back to the lab, everyone. Today we're going to be doing lesson 7 of the Arduino Mega Kit. Here it is here. It's a little kit you can purchase off either eBay or AliExpress. It's relatively inexpensive and gives you a whole heap of gear. Show you the kit quickly. To get started programming and coding Arduino. So let's hit the bench and get into it. Here we have the kit, the active and passive buzzers. So today we're doing passive buzzer. We'll grab that out the component pack. This little pack comes in the kit there with all your components. Grab that buzzer out. There it is. Passive buzzer. It's got no oscillating circuit inside of it, so you have to use that PWM to generate tones. Get the rest of the gear out for the Mega board. Get our lead that connects the Mega board to the PC, and we're going to need those jumper wires. There's the jumper wires. Grab a red and a black and connect up the circuit. Let's take a look at lesson 7 now. All these lessons come on the disc that come in the kit. Once you upload that information to your PC, you'll get this list here. Up to lesson 7, this is on page 70, and it's called Passive Buzzer. So we're going to learn how to use that passive buzzer with the Arduino, and we're going to generate 8 different sounds. We require the Mega board, the passive buzzer, and the female to male jumper wires. Here's the passive buzzer. We have a look here. Passive buzzer uses pulse width modulation to generate audio. So we're going to use different frequencies to generate different sounds out of that buzzer, and the Mega board can be set up by the pulse width modulation to do that job. We'll scroll down a little bit further now. Here's the schematic diagram. We've got the buzzer over here. The positive terminal goes across to digital pin 8, and the negative terminal returns back to ground. Here's the wiring diagram. There's the Mega board, digital pin 8 to positive, and then there's the negative returning back to ground. There we have it, there's a photo. A lot of great information comes on this disc. Everything's laid out really well. So now that we know what we need to wire up and the components we're using, we'll go over to the board and we'll get started. First thing we'll do is take a look at this buzzer. On the front there we've got a little positive symbol. When you spin that over, that leg there is going to be a positive. There's also some polarity marks on the back. You see just there, positive and negative. So we get a red wire on the positive and the black wire on the negative. Now we can connect that buzzer up to the Mega board. Back over at the board now. Take a quick look. Positive goes into digital pin 8 and the black wire into ground. That's as simple as the circuit is. 2 wires, 1 component, and the Mega board. We use that printer cable that comes in the kit now to power it up from the PC, and we'll send that sketch across and see what it does. There's a disc that comes in the kit. When you upload that information to your computer, you get this list here. You get your code, your libraries, and this is the lessons. We'll go into code now. We'll come down to passive buzzer. We'll take a look at the code. Here's the sketch. take a look here. Got a few notes there playing, it's a melody, and they're 500 milliseconds each. We'll load this across now and we'll see what we get out of it. There's one other thing we have to do before we can install that code to the board. We come over to Sketch, include library, and then add a zip library. We go into that folder called Libraries, and scroll down to Pictures, and I already have that library installed. It's going to ask me here if I want to override it because it's already existing. Yours will just say install, so I'll just say yes, I'll override it. You can see there that library is now installed. So we can go over to the Mega board now, put that code across, and the board will know how to use it because it's got that library installed. We'll use that printer cable now that comes with the kit. We'll power up the board, and I'll send that program across. We'll click upload. There we go, there's those notes being played. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. That's a pretty simple little code. We can make a few adjustments now and see what difference that makes. We'll make some changes to that code now. We'll put an A note here. And we might put another change here. Put that to C. At the moment you can hear it going through the scale there. Now we'll run that new program. There we go, change that sequence. Got the A, then the D, the E, the C, the G, and then the A, B, and C. So, pretty simple. Put that to a D. There we go, easy. Change this to 1000. You see that's doubled the time that note's being played for now. Instead of 500 milliseconds, it's now 1000. We've got the restart time here of 2000 milliseconds. If we change that to 500, you'll see the loop will start going, it will start over a lot quicker. So put that to 500. We won't get that delay. See, the restart delay was a lot shorter there. Bring that delay down there, sped things right up. So there we go, pretty easy little sketch. You can play around and adjust these notes and make your own little tune up. Been a great little project. Might just turn that off now. I've got a sketch on the PC now. Can show you what this little buzzer is capable of. We'll load that tune in. There's those 8 notes being played again. Now I'll send the sketch across. There we go. Got the new sketch in, and we're playing Happy Birthday. There's a lot that can be done with this little chip and the active buzzer, so it's up to your imagination what you can come up with. Next up in the Arduino Mega Project Series is going to be lesson 8, and it's called Tilt Ball Switch. I hope you enjoyed that episode of Beast Lab. Be sure to like and subscribe. Take it easy, guys, and we'll catch you in the next episode.